Good morning, Kinder Crew. Today is day 2 of our packets. Just like yesterday, you're going to read some books and then you're going to do your reading response. Then on math, we're working on addition once again. And so today we have some different cool objects. I see some caps, I see some buttons, I see some suns, some airplanes. Whoa! So just like yesterday, you're going to be counting the different objects. So I see 1, 2 cats and 2 balls. 2 plus 2. Now once you have the numbers written in, remember you can touch and count. You can count on your fingers. You can just know it in your brain. Whichever way you solve it, then you're going to write the number in the box. You're going to do it for the whole entire page. And when you're done, if you have coloring supplies, you can color in the pictures. And then on this one, today we are counting trees, which is so awesome because that matches our science journal that we're working on. So the example they gave us is 2 trees plus 3 trees equals 5. Let's look at the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 trees plus 1 tree equals a total of 5. Now here's a challenge for the kids that find this math super duper easy. I have a challenge for you. Is there a different way that you could write this addition equation and still have it be true? We know something special about addition equations. We'll see if you remember. Then for our handwriting, our word for the day is all, A-L-L, all. And our sentence is going to be, we all ate. Look at all those yummy foods that we have. We all ate. So, like yesterday, we're going to practice our neat handwriting. And we know that when we write our sentence, we always start with what? What special type of letter? That's right, an uppercase letter. So we, and then our next one's lowercase, which means it stays below the line. We all ate. Remember, if we don't know how to spell one of these tricky words, we have it written for us right up here or down here. We all ate. Miss Greer had yogurt today, so I'm going to write yogurt. We all ate yogurt. I'm looking and I noticed that my 2-finger space didn't happen here. What could I do if I make a mistake? If I'm using pencil, I can choose to erase it, or I can choose to just cross it off and try again. So I'm crossing it off, I'm giving myself more room, and now I'm trying it again. And then at the end of our sentence, we always have some form of punctuation. This one is a period. So once we go through and we write all of our sentences, then we use our check boxes to make sure. So I would go through and look at all my sentences and see, are they neat? Did I use my best handwriting? Did I have 2-finger spaces? Does it look like my best kindergarten work? Then I would go in and make sure that every single sentence started with a capital letter. Then I would make sure that they ended with a period. And I would make sure I used the word all in every single sentence. Lastly, our word family of the day is an. A-N says an. Let's come through and say our words at the bottom. K, an, can, p, pan, v, van, f, fan, t, tan, m, man. If you aren't sure which words match with which pictures, go with the words that you know for sure. I know that this one is a van. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to copy this word. And then when I'm all done, I can cross it off and I know that I used that word already. Next, I know that this one is called a fan. Oh, we know that the sound makes, the letter F makes that sound. So we're gonna come over, we're gonna cross this one out, we're gonna add it. And you're gonna keep doing that. And that will help you if there's some words that are tricky. Helps you know which ones you have left over. Good job, Kinder Crew.